Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Okay, so it's currently 10 on a Saturday of spring break, winter break, and I decided that over winter break I'm going to be doing a room makeover because, you know, refresh, go into the new year with a new room, right? So I think I'm gonna make it 3 parts: declutter and deconstruction, and then construction, like painting, moving furniture or getting new furniture or something like that, and then decorating. And I don't know where organizing is gonna fit in, probably like a little bit of 2 and 3. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna start. Well, I kind of started. I took down my pictures right here, so let's see that. So I'm having a little breakdown. I decided I'm going to make over my room. This is really not my plan to do this tonight, but I'm going to. One thing I know I'm gonna do for sure is take this down, just because like this like kind of is in my thing. I want to do more of like a thing like this, and I'm also gonna take those postcards down because I want to add them.
Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh,
And now
Christmas
I'm going to
tree.
be deconstructing and decluttering everything else. I already did my closet, so that's good. That was step 1. But yeah, I got a lot to declutter. Let's do a little room tour. Okay, so you walk in, this is my door. I have like stuff here. You know, I got some pictures. This is I just call this my Ruby wall because it's just pictures of Ruby, but then I added this gem. Then we have my mirror. Hey, got pajama pants on. Then I have these boots I'm selling. I got a mess. And then this pink thing is like a storage thingy type dealio. Crocs. I have some bags. I have a piggy bank. Mess. My bed. Over here. End table. And a drawer. Wow. It's my junk drawer, but we're gonna organize that beat. CDs, but who listens to CDs nowadays? Nope, one. I'm pretty sure. And my blue light glasses. A picture of me, my cousin, and my brother, and then me. A baseball bat. Yeah. Jewelry. Pictures. My desk. My sewing machine, and this is my chair, but it's also like it's an ottoman, so it's storage, which is like super helpful. I don't know what I would do without that. A mess. Oh my gosh. A bunch of shoe boxes. Stuffed animals. Oh my, what did I just step on? And over here is just like a bunch of like random papers and like old schoolwork that I really need to go through. There's a beanbag chair under there somewhere. Dodgers. Lights. Post Malone. Hannah Montana. Leadership Rocks. This is where I get ready. Like I sit here and I get ready on the floor. It's honestly kind of nice, but I wish I could get ready at my desk, but my desk is way too full. So, and then I have this, which has like makeup and get ready stuff. If we turn this way, I have a bunch of bags. Oh my goodness. Depop stuff, Christmas presents, my money. It's my bank. I don't know. Shoes, bins with stuff. This is like mainly pictures, and this is like getting ready stuff type thing. Yearbook, the Twilight books, cheer bows, more shoes, perfumes, fall vibes. I should actually change this to Merry Christmas. Lotions. I want my Puffle calendar, which I was thinking about this the other day. Why is my calendar right here? It really doesn't make sense, but okay. These are all my grade school yearbooks, which I don't know why they're on display, but okay. A bunch of random stuff, including candy. That's where I keep my dirty clothes. My closet, obviously. Yeah, I'm gonna redo that. OMG, my plates. Build-A-Bears. Hoodies. Hair in a bag. Dresser. And that's my room. I think my first order of business is going to be tackling this, because I feel like this is so cluttered and I hate it. I hate it. So let's keep going.
Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition, we celebrate.
So I got that cleared off and all the stuff is basically right here. And I kind of went through it and like I got this a little more sorted. And then I have these knickknacks. I have these 3 keychains. Okay. DC. This one's actually really pretty, from Denver. Never been there. I've just been in the airport in New York. But you can only have so many sets of keys, so I don't know what I was really doing. And then some pins. So yeah, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with that. And then I decided that I'm just like kind of like decluttering, so I'm just like going through everything, and then whatever I take out and like I'm getting like rid of or replacing, like putting it somewhere else, like in the garage or something, then I'm gonna leave it out and then just put everything else back until I like know what else to do. I think my next move, oh, and I also changed the sign to say Merry Christmas, but my next move is gonna be this mirror. Oh my goodness, this setup, because it needs to be sorted.
Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you. My sister's here.
I feel like I'm just jumping all over the place, but I think that's totally okay for decluttering. I don't really know if I did much, but now I'm going to be tackling all these cubes behind me, which some of them are a little bit more messy, and then like some of them I just want to like find a better place for. Like how I said I had my money stuff like here. I feel like now that I don't carry as much cash anymore, so you can see my stuffed animals in the mirror. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna be tackling that bad boy. Let's get to work.
Cousins too. My brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see. With all faded photos.
Wow, I just want to say, it literally, this lighting is just so good, so I just keep filming, but it literally took me so long to go through this box, but now literally looks so good. I have all my money that I do have in cash organized, and I found out I have like 5 $2 bills, so that's pretty crazy. It literally took me so long to do that section now. I'm no longer gonna be utilizing these, so that's good. But I'm gonna tackle this because this is more like a decorative thing, but there's stuff behind it. Pretty sure it's just books. Yeah, it's literally just books and this, but it's sticking out. And then I'll probably kind of go through these and go through down here. Look at this mess. My room is literally such a mess. It's okay, because it has to be a mess before it starts looking good.
Family, oh, Christmas tree, no, you don't.
New day, okay. I'm starting to realize how big of a project this is gonna be. Like, even just like decluttering is crazy. Like, my room is still so messy. Yay. Start over here because there's like a bunch of papers over there, so yeah. I want to sketch some different ideas of how I could rearrange my room, because I feel like, and I also want to like take measurements and stuff, so hopefully gonna be doing that today.
Without the joy that surrounds you.
Took out everything from this little dark hole. It's all right here now. And I think when I move my desk in some way, because like I have like the little hangovers, like the desk is like this, and then legs that go like this, and then like more desk on the side, and then I have like these things that like kind of block it. So I don't know if I could like find like a drawer system that could kind of fit under there, because that would be really helpful, because then I can put all my sewing papers and all that in there. But right now I'm just gonna go through all of my binders and figure out what like I'm gonna get rid of, because I have 5 binders, and I have 2 years left of high school, 1.5 years left of high school. I'm gonna cry. So I don't think I need 5 binders. Like stuff still in my binders, like pictures and everything, but I think I can just take those out. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So much paper. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking some measurements. Main thing is the walls, the sections, my window, my bed, and I'm just gonna sketch it all out on a piece of paper. So yeah.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly.
Beautiful drawing, and I mainly focused on this area, like this wall mainly, because all of this stuff can just like fall into place, I think. So okay, so I kind of feel like I've already decluttered as much as I can. I know I'm still gonna go through my bags that I have over behind that and organize them, and then I'm gonna go through my junk drawer. But everything else, like I just finished this area, and now I just have this big old mess. Love it. Yes. So I think right now I'm just going to put everything back into where it was. Yeah, because obviously I'm not reorganizing yet, because I'll come more in the construction and putting things back into its place, and I need to paint first before I do any of that.
Never been much about you. It's all of the people around you. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly.
Hey guys, so I basically put everything away or back. Like you can see I put all the stuff back, but like not very nicely, because I don't really like care about putting it back nicely, since it's gonna get moved in a few days anyways. But yeah, I'll probably continue this after Christmas sometime, because I don't know when I'm gonna have time to paint. So I don't know if my next video will be the reconstruction or if it'll be a different video, but we'll see. Anyways, I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe, because it would mean so much to me. I hope you all have a beautiful day.
Around you.